Why they call you Swim?
Ever feel like just giving up was the thing to do? You got depression, anxiety, and some anger too. Some people say just pray about it and maybe you should. But I can teach you how to handle it, it's still all good. You may not know how to deal with most of all the stress. You put the mask on your face to hide it from the rest. We keep the feelings inside and push them down below. But that don't help us at all, but you already know. Sometimes just talking about it can get the feelings out. But if you're feeling uncomfortable, try another route. I got some tools you can use that I want you to see. Plenty of coping mechanisms taught to you by me. What's going on, everybody? This is Blaze. Come out and join me May 14th at the Green Road Community Center in Raleigh for the Express Yourself Mental Health Workshop. I got you. Come learn how to deal with everyday stress. Space is limited, so sign up today.